Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error. Accessory is not supported. This accessory is not supported by this device. When you try to plug in your charger in your iPhone or iPad, and here it's showing accessory is not supported. So how can you fix it? Just simply close this page. And firstly, let me tell you that first thing is that you have to make sure that if there is not any dust, so you have to clean it, and then you have to plug in your charger and then check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if the phone still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply check your accessory if it's not damaged. So you have to check your accessory from here and make sure that it's not damaged from anywhere. And the third thing is that you have to make sure that your accessory or your cable is spotted the IT devices or verified from apple.com. Okay guys, and after that what you need to do is just simply make sure that your charger is not overheated. If your charger is heated, then you have to cool it down, and then you have to plug in your charger. And after that, what you need to do is just simply turn the aeroplane mode on, and then you have to turn off your device and then turn it on again. And when you plugged in your charger, your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.